Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn how to use image and ask Leonardo AI to work on it. Firstly, you have to navigate to leonardoai.com or you have to navigate to Leonardo app. If you're not logged into your account, you have to first log in. You can watch our previous video on how to sign up for Leonardo AI. At the left section of Leonardo AI app, you will find all the functions of designing images. Now, as you scroll down, you will find image generation. Click on image generation. Now, under the AI image generation, you will find image guidance option. Tap on that. Now you have to input one of your file images. Tap on add an image to get started. And now choose one of your images from your files. Double click on a image. After inputting your image in source image, you can decrease your strength or you can increase it. And at the left side, you will find more editing options. I'm going to choose my dimension here and put my guidance scale a bit lower. Now, in this image, you can also enter a prompt to generate the new image. Now go to fine-tuned model and you can choose your model from here, and I'm going to select anime pastel dream. You can add elements from here, then just tap on the elements you want to edit, tap on confirm. If you don't want to put no style on your image, you can make it to none. You can also choose how many number of images you want to generate here. And after doing all of this, tap on generate. Now come back to generation history and you will see your image is creatively generated here. Now, if you want to download this file, you will find this download icon under the image. Tap on download and the file will automatically download to your file. Just go to your downloads and you will be able to see the picture. You can also upscale this image to find the best version of this picture. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.